As soon as you become a member, you'll be taken to this page. This is the members area. Over here, you'll be able to add teachers' tools to your account or create ones that are not yet in existence. So to start, you click on the Please select the apps you need from here button. You'll see that you have 100 credits to start using. Each credit is one use of the application, so you have 100 uses to experiment with. Now you have two things on this page. Number one is to click here to get the tools. And number two is a video, which is a replay of the webinar, which explains many of the tools that are included in this pack and how to use them, and also how to create your own tools. Let's start by pressing this purple button here. Once you're on this page, you'll have a list of all of the teachers' AI tools that were pre-made for you, including lesson planners, report card generators. Have a look at the list. Spelling mistakes marker. If you want that app, you click this button. Report card generator. School test generator. IEPs. Clone my writing style. Generate worksheet or revision sheet. Example essay generator. Feedback on current project. Question generator. Email generator for teachers. Rewrite given text at a different level. Plagiarism checker. Lesson planner. Coloring sheet generator and royalty-free image generator. These are all possibly, you can use them all with this current account that you have. When you click this button here, all of these bots will be added to your account. And then you'll be redirected to this page. Be sure to bookmark this page because this is where you can access all of these apps. Okay, to get started, you just choose an app that you want to use. All of these just work right out of the box. If you want to go back at any point to the video, just click this button here. It will take you back to the video of the webinar so you can try and learn exactly how to use all of these. We're going to be adding more apps to this list, but let's try one, for example. Report card generator. Student's name and age. Edward. 12 years old. English. Reading. Writing. Now you have some teachers' inputs for this macro. Once you click submit, the AI will produce a report card for this current student. Also, if you ever need to switch between apps, you just click this button here and it will go to a different app for teachers. Let's click submit. You should also be aware you can create your own apps by pressing this button here. By clicking here, you can create an app that literally does exactly what you want. Just like other apps that you might find online, if you can't find it in this list, you can literally create it on your own. We're going to be producing more videos for teachers and we're going to put them all on that page to help you learn how to make your own apps so that if you ever get stuck, you can just create it yourself. Here's a report card for Edward. If you like it, that's great. If not, you can just press the submit button again. And that way it will generate a brand new version of the previous. This is just one example of all of these tools. There are many more, plus there is a brand new function on the website which we haven't even added to this pack, which we will be adding soon. It's the batch production. You click on app menu, click on mass, and then click on batch content creation. Over here, you'll be able to create whatever content you need in batch, not necessarily related to teaching. On this page, you'll be able to create a batch report cards. Batch anything you need. This was the end of the mini tutorial. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.